Imagine a country at the center of Europe. It has no vast oil reserves like some Middle Eastern nations. It does not have the world's largest population. It does not control the biggest technology companies on Earth. And yet, for decades, this country has stood at the center of Europe's economic power. That country is Germany. From luxury cars and precision machinery to chemicals, pharmaceuticals, industrial equipment, and advanced technology, German products are sold across almost every continent. Companies such as BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, Siemens, Bosch, and SAP have become globally recognized names. But Germany's economic story is about much more than famous brands. Behind the factories, offices, laboratories, and logistics networks is a system that took generations to build. A system based on engineering, skilled workers, industrial companies, exports, research, education, and a powerful network of thousands of specialized businesses. But here's the real question. Why Germany? Why did this particular European country become the economic engine of an entire continent? And perhaps even more importantly, can Germany remain Europe's economic powerhouse in the future? To understand the answer, we need to go back to the beginning, because Germany's economic power was not created overnight. It was built through decades of decisions, investments, failures, and transformations. And the first clue is hidden in Germany's geography. Germany built something far more powerful, an economic machine, a machine connecting factories, engineers, specialized businesses, skilled workers, global supply chains, and one of the world's largest economic markets. And once you understand how this machine works, Germany's economic success starts to make sense. Because Germany doesn't just manufacture products, it builds the machines that manufacture other products. It doesn't just sell cars, it supplies technology, machinery, chemicals, industrial equipment, and advanced systems to businesses around the world. And it doesn't rely only on a handful of famous corporations. Behind companies like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, Siemens, Bosch, and SAP is an enormous network of smaller and medium-sized businesses that most people have never heard of. Together, they create something incredibly difficult for competitors to copy, a complete industrial ecosystem. But Germany has a problem. The country has a population of around 84 million people. That's a large population. But Germany's industrial companies produce far more sophisticated products than the domestic market alone could absorb. So where do they sell them? The answer is simple: the world. German companies have built their businesses around international trade. A German car can be sold in America. German machinery can be installed in an Asian factory. German chemical products can be used by manufacturers in other countries. German industrial equipment can help produce products that consumers may eventually buy thousands of kilometers away. This makes exports incredibly important to the German economic model. And the products Germany exports are often high-value products. Instead of competing only on cheap labor, German companies have traditionally competed through technology, engineering, quality, and specialized expertise. This is a crucial difference. If you sell a simple product that anyone can manufacture, price competition can become brutal. But if you manufacture a highly specialized machine that few companies know how to build, your competitive position can be much stronger. Germany has spent decades developing expertise in exactly these types of industries. And this is one reason German companies have been able to build long-term relationships with customers around the world. The customer isn't simply buying a product, they're buying reliability, technical knowledge, after-sales support, precision, and decades of experience. That creates trust, and trust can become one of the most valuable assets in international business. But there's another reason Germany's economic machine works so well. Look at a map of Europe. Germany sits almost at the center. It shares borders with 9 countries. To the west are France, Belgium, Luxembourg, and the Netherlands. To the south are Switzerland and Austria. To the east are Poland and the Czech Republic. This location places Germany directly inside Europe's industrial heartland. And that matters, because modern manufacturing doesn't happen in isolation. A car might contain components from several countries. A factory may purchase machinery from another country. A German company might design a product in one location, manufacture components somewhere else, and sell the final product across the continent. Germany's central position makes it an important connection point within these supply chains. Then there is the European Union's single market. For businesses operating within the EU, the single market provides a large integrated economic area with common rules and fewer barriers to trade between member countries. For German companies, this means the potential market is far bigger than Germany itself. A company can develop a product in Germany, build its supply chain across Europe, and sell to customers throughout the continent. Germany is therefore not simply an economy of 84 million people. Its businesses operate within a much larger European economic environment, and that changes everything. The country's factories are connected to European suppliers. Its companies can access European customers. Its logistics networks connect to neighboring economies, and its industrial ecosystem becomes part of a much larger market. This creates a powerful cycle. Germany's location supports trade. Trade supports manufacturing. Manufacturing supports exports. Exports support investment. Investment supports innovation. And innovation makes German products more competitive. The machine keeps running. Now here's the most important point. Germany's advantage is not one thing. It is the combination of many things. A country can build factories. Another country can train engineers. Another can create a large export industry. Another can develop strong infrastructure. But combining all of these elements together is much harder. Germany has a powerful manufacturing base, a culture of engineering and technical expertise, thousands of specialized Mittelstand companies, a highly developed network of suppliers, strong vocational and technical training, research and innovation, a central European location, access to the EU single market, and global connections. Each part strengthens the others. Take manufacturing. Manufacturing creates demand for skilled workers. Skilled workers help companies develop better products. Better products improve exports. Exports generate revenue. Revenue allows companies to invest in research and technology. Research creates new products. Those products create new demand for specialized suppliers. And those suppliers strengthen the entire industrial network. It's a cycle, a self-reinforcing economic machine. And that may be the real secret behind Germany's success. Germany didn't simply build successful companies. It built an environment where thousands of companies could become successful together.